Welcome back to Nidas BBQ. My name's Leo, and today we will be doing grilled chicken on the Weber kettle. Let's get to it. Alright, today we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to cook some chicken thighs on the Weber. Going to season them with just some salt and pepper. And throughout the cook, going to baste them with a butter mixture of crushed red pepper, parsley, and some garlic. And just keep it simple for the week. Let's get to it.
I started off by grabbing some chicken thighs from my local grocery store. Trimmed up some extra fat. Nothing too crazy. For seasonings, I went with some lawry salt and some pepper. Start off on the back side, then flipped it over to the skin side. The setup for the Weber started off with doing a full slow and sear full of lump charcoal. Add in a few chimney starters throughout the basket and gave it about 20 minutes to completely ignite. Once the charcoal was going, I placed the chicken on the pool side of the grates, away from the fire. Both the vents on the bottom and on the lid are completely wide open. Cook time is around an hour in my case. For our butter mixture, I'm using some unsalted butter. Nothing too specific here, just a good lump sum. Placed it in the microwave to melt down a little bit. Got some crushed pepper, some parsley, 2 cloves of garlic. Just gave it a good mix. I'll apply this a few times throughout the cook, every 20 minutes or so, and a little bit before we take them off. We're about 30 minutes in, checking these things out. Wrap up here. Butter on it. Come back and check in about 20. Temp these. Put a little bit more butter. I'll leave them off for another, I'd say another 10. Chicken thighs that can take it.
Finishing up here, just gonna give you a quick recap of what I did with this chicken. Just season it with some lawry salt, some pepper, put it on the grill with our slow and sear. Ran it for about an hour, open vents on the top and bottom. About every 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I brushed it with some garlic butter, with some parsley and some chili flakes. This is probably hot as shit, so let's give it a taste. Ooh. Nice bite through on the skin. Thank you for watching. Go eat some dinner. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and all the rest of the other bullshit. Thank you.